back to our season, where it's always our season to praise God, to get a vlog, and to throw a fit. That's harder than our problems, really. And guys, it's the case today. Wait. Okay, you can't see. Okay, I'll just insert something. But guys, today we're not crying because of school. Today we don't look crusty because of school. We look good. School is still school regardless. It's kicking me, but there's an upside, okay? So today I'll be baking these. I hope this camera is focusing. The call is focusing, whatever it's called. I'll be baking these donuts. And yeah, I'm not really a baker, but I'm willing to give it a try, you know? So let's get to it. So first things first, obviously I have to read what I have to do and what I need. So the ingredients are 45 milliliters of vegetable oil, 1 egg, 60 milliliters of milk, 45, almost said 450. 45 grams of soft butter or margarine. I'll be using butter. And the instructions: preheat oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 fan forced. Lightly grease a 24-hole muffin tray. 2. Mix the donut mix, oil, egg, and milk in a medium bowl. I just realized that I almost made a really big mistake. The butter was for the cinnamon sugar coating, but I'm not doing that. So that's why I just took it out. Yeah. And stir gently until just combine. Do not over-mix. Place 2 or 3 teaspoons of mixture into each muffin hole. And in total we have 2, 4, 6, 7, well, 7.5 donuts. Obviously I don't know how to do like the donut shape and all of that. It is my first time doing this, so I think this is fine. But yeah, bake for 9 to 10 minutes. Guys, so I just shook this box just for no reason, and then I realized that they gave me the cinnamon sugar to make the cinnamon coating thing. So let's do it. Guys, I messed it up. Okay, so the instructions say, hello Bryce, how was school? Go change your uniform, you know what to do. So the instructions say melt butter, place cinnamon sugar mix into a medium bowl, melt butter or margarine and lightly brush onto each donut. Oh my gosh, guys, I was supposed to put the butter on the donut first and then like sprinkle the cinnamon on top. Yo, guys, ask me what I did. I went on the stove, I melted the butter. I even forgot to record that process. The mere fact that I forgot to record it just means it was wrong, but it's fine. I melted the butter and then I put the cinnamon mix into the pods. And my spoon just fell into the pods. Look at this, guys. Why? Or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Guys, this one was on the verge of burning, but I put 10 minutes because they said 10 minutes. Stand 5 minutes in a tray before transferring to a wire rack to cool slightly. Okay, so I'm removing like the donuts from the pan, and I just realized that we don't have a brush to coat the donuts. These are not even donuts at this point, these are muffins. Okay, well, we'll call them round donuts. Okay, let me just take out these muffins and then I'll talk to you guys. This time I'm filming because we obviously know what happened the last time I didn't film. So it's supposed to be 3 tablespoons of butter that are being melted in the pots. So what am I doing here with the bowl? Okay, let's do this right. 1 tablespoon. I'll come back with the other one because I can't film it for 2 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons. Guys, let's start off fun to get me vlogging the kitchen. Crack. Holding the phone while doing this, it is not easy. But hopefully I'll be able to save up for like a tripod or something so I can vlog properly and nicely. But yeah, okay, I'm done matting this. Let me switch it off. Switch it off. Yeah. Okay, hear me out, right? Hear me out. We bought 2 boxes of these donuts and we've already seen that it has the cinnamon thing mixed in. So I can use half of the other one on these donuts and the other half when I make those other donuts. You see, a woman with a plan. A woman with a plan.
Hi, last born speaking. Just want to say hi. Now, bye.
Okay, so this is what I'm thinking of doing. Alright, I'll take like this with this tablespoon that I used to melt it in the beginning and put it over and then, you know, do that. So let me just quickly do that and then I'll be back. This is how we're looking. This is how it looks, guys. So yeah, let me put the cinnamon now. In the instructions it says like dip the donut into the cinnamon mix, but obviously you know our situation, so we won't have enough, so I'll just sprinkle it over like this. Okay guys, this is how they look, and honestly they're not that bad. Now imagine if they had like that round thing. When I make those other donuts, I'm gonna try and make the round shapes. But yeah, let's see how my brother reacts as he tastes the donuts. Okay, so here's my brother trying out the donuts. Take one and try it.
Feels like a natural.
Are you lying?
No.
So why are you hiding? Are you shy? Come back. Okay, I stopped it. Yeah, what's wrong? Is it nice?
Yeah, I just zipped out because of the video.
You're scared of the video?
Yes.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming the process. And please do like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.